Welcome, beloved soul. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply, feeling your chest expand. Exhale, letting your shoulders drop. One more time. Inhale peace, and exhale everything heavy you've been carrying. And with every breath, feel yourself arriving fully here in this moment. You are safe. You are supported. You are home with yourself. Bring your awareness to your body. Notice your feet. Imagine gentle roots growing from your soles, connecting you to the earth. And with each breath, these roots anchor you deeper into calmness. And whisper to yourself, I am grounded. I am present. I am held. Allow your breath to soften any tightness in your neck and your face, your eyebrows, your jaw, your shoulders, your heart. Everything within you can finally rest. Now, in your mind's eye, imagine yourself walking toward a beautiful golden river. The air is warm and fragrant with honey and flowers. This is the sacred river of Oshun, the goddess of love, beauty, and flow. She smiles at you, radiant, gentle, shimmering with golden light. She invites you to step into her river. As your feet touch the water, feel its warmth, soft, loving, cleansing. The golden ripples swirl around you, dissolving every heavy thought, every worry, every burden you've been holding. Let it all go. You don't need to carry it anymore. Breathe deeply. With each exhale, release tension, fear, guilt, or doubt into the golden water. See it drift away like ink dissolving into light. The river knows how to cleanse you. The water whispers, "You are forgiven. You are loved. You are free." As you breathe, feel the golden energy rise higher, covering your legs, your torso, your heart. Your heart begins to glow. You are being renewed. If thoughts appear right now, old worries, memories, doubts, don't fight them. Just notice them gently. Whisper, "I see you. You may go now." Let Oshun's golden river carry them downstream effortlessly. You are not your thoughts. You are the stillness behind them. You are the golden light returning home to peace. Now, Oshun places her hand upon your heart. From her palm, streams of golden light flow into you, filling every cell with joy, love, and vitality. You feel warm, radiant, whole. Every part of you glows with divine beauty. Whisper to yourself, "I am cleansed. I am renewed. I am one with love." Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale softly. Feel your body once again. Your feet, your hands, your heartbeat. Wiggle your fingers and toes. The golden light remains inside you, steady and calm. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for sharing this moment of renewal. Remember, you can return to this golden river whenever you need peace or clarity. To continue your journey of healing and alignment, listen to more meditations and affirmations on Citadel Clarity, your sanctuary for presence, wisdom, and divine flow.